coffee. Oh, ayan, Azusa. You want to see? Ayan, fountain. Hello, fountain. Oh, nice yung fountain nila dito. Oh, papunta na yan sa labas. Labas ng ano, kumbaga gate nila. Oh, ayan si Azusa. Oh, ayan yan si Azusa. I call her Azusa. The niece of Madam. Oh, you see? Oh, you see? Oh. Don't hold, don't hold. Oh. Ayan, oh, ang ganda ng ano nila dito sa coffee. Oh, coffee. Ayan na yung labas doon. Papunta na yan sa amin. On the another side. Yan doon. Oh, ayan po. Papuntang parking area sa app. Oh, ayan yan dyan. Mapupuno yan almost every day at the night. Start from 5 o'clock to if I'm not mistaken 11 night. They are going to make argili, chai, coffee, or ice cream because now it's summer, so ice cream. So Azusa. Oh, nice yung decoration nila. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Oh, nice. Nice. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe me. Thank you for the support and thank you for everything. Hi, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Oh, that's what outside inside. I think is from down. Okay, ground, kumbaga ground, first ground here. And the coffee shop system, all of ang up nila. Diba? O, ayan. Ito yung Baghdad Mall. Ayan yung Baghdad Mall. O, that is the Baghdad Mall. Ayan, Baghdad Mall. O, ayan yung Baghdad Mall. O, nice yung ano nila sa, nice. Yung coffee, ano nila dito. Ayan. Once again, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you to subscribe. Thank you for everything. To all supporters and my channel, God's El Torrillo Vlog. Ayun si Madam. Nagkatingin doon. Thank you again. Oy, no need to cry, okay? Hi, hello. How are you? Fine, thank you. You want to go there? Huh? No, it's there. Ayan o, yun mo. Sophie, what's that? Minhada. Sophie, ayan o, up. Yoni, ayan o, you see, very nice, ha? Very nice. Oh, ayun, wow, very nice. Up, ayan o.